Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1974 Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful, beautiful Camaro. I want to make sure you go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video, and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Also, these virtual test drives lets you get to see the car out in the sun, get to hear how it sounds riding down the road, kind of get a virtual feel of it. For all the other information after we're done, go on over to volocars.com. See the whole write-up we have, the 100 or so extra pictures of undercarriage, engine, trunk, everything. Find out the pricing, and then go on and give our sales a call. So let's hop on in.
Nice car, brother.
Thank you. People love the car. I don't blame them. The interior looks great. The seat's super comfortable. I'm not seeing any rips or tears in the dash. The overhead looks good. The back seat. This is really a fantastic car. Go on the seatbelt here. Oh. All right, let's start her up. Starts right up, sounds great. Has the tilt wheel. Fuel gauge, battery, speedometer, tachometer, engine temp, the clock. I don't see the little second hand moving. That's all right. You have a clock on your updated CD player here. Then another oil pressure gauge down below. So this is the first time myself or anyone from the shop has a chance to take this out on the road. So we get to figure out everything together here. We'll start off taking a little slow, kind of just get used to it, and then I'll open it up towards the end of the video. Feels nice, real smooth clutch, shifts nice and easy, sounds incredible. Drive straight, you just move the steering wheel a little and you start turning that way, no play in the wheel. Absolutely gorgeous. All the mirrors look great that I'm looking through here. Sounds really solid going down this bumpy road. I'm not hearing any real rattles, shakes. Get on in a little bit. Wow, this thing is dialed in. I'll go up to 5th gear, rate, 6th. You can cruise all day in this beautiful, just awesome car. reverse. This as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications. Now head on over to volocars.com, read up on this beautiful piece of machinery, and then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate it.